welcome back to another drive into Jamaica, right? And I am excited about today's drive, all right? People, today we're gonna be driving inside of a truck. Yeah. Well, I'm not gonna be the driver, right? I'm gonna be a passenger, but I'm still excited, all right? I'm still excited. Now, today we're gonna be in East Kingston, and we're gonna start our journey from Rockfort in East Kingston, and we're gonna make our way out to Port Royal, as I said. We're gonna start on Windward Road, make our way out to Harborview at the roundabout right there, head on down to the airport side, and then go on to Port Royal Road and make our way out to Port Royal, right? It's actually a Saturday afternoon, like about after 2, thereabout. Yeah, so I don't expect much traffic or anything, but as I said, I'm super excited about this drive. Like, be excited, I could even wait till I reach outside for do the intro. I have to do it in my bathroom. As I said, you can see me literally just done beat, alright? So people, the truck already outside. The driver already outside. People, come and go touch the road, alright? And I hope you enjoy.
Hey peeps, And right about now, we're basically approaching. I think like on the right hand side, people usually go jogging and stuff, you know? Yeah, that's what they usually do in the nighttime. Almost at the airport, and that's the Norman Manley International Airport. Now, don't be afraid to comment and let me know, okay? Wherever you want to see, I'll drive there. All right. Also, guys, if you appreciate the content, you can always like the video, you can always share. You get a chance one day, you should visit Port Royal. Like, there's a whole lot of seafood restaurants over there and stuff. Really, really nice place, guys. You can go and have your seafood and drink a cup of soup or something. You understand? But as I said, I just want to thank you, and you know what to do already, okay? Until we meet again for another drive through Jamaica, stay safe, all right?